Hi guys, what's good? Today I want to show you the process of removing a Polo Vivo sticker. So I'll be using this. We just need what's the thing? We just need and the dishwasher. Yeah, so we'll just need these two guys. So I put handy end in here, and this is just a dishwasher soap. So we'll also be using that's water. So now let's go. So what we're gonna do, we'll just remove this thing with a hand. We'll just remove this with a hand, then after we'll apply these guys here just to wash off the residue of the glue. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm somewhat halfway. Let me show you now. So this is the progress of I'm just using my hand to remove the thing. Let's continue. You can see just like this. The Beijing is just when you do this, you must be careful so that you don't damage the pen itself. Okay, now I left with the O. Should I leave this or should I remove this? Let me know in the comments, guys. Should I leave the O or should I remove the O? Polo O. I'm just joking. I'm going to remove this also. Then it will be clear like this. And tada, we are done. Now I just left with removing the residue. Okay, now I've applied the handy and dishwashing soap. So I'm just gonna keep rubbing this until it comes off, I guess. Looks like it should be a machine here. Okay guys, so I have applied the dishwashing and handy end. This is how it looks. It seems it's still there. I saw online they say you can use cooking oil, so we'll apply that and see if it will work, because now the residue is still there. So let's apply the cooking oil. So yeah guys, I don't know if you can see, I have applied oil. This is the cooking oil that I've applied. It doesn't have to be a brand specific, it's just any cooking oil that you have in your house, you can apply it. So yeah, we're gonna let it sit there for a while. So this is the drop of the oil. Okay, I let the cooking oil sit on the for a while. Now I'm gonna use this to scrape the residue. Yeah, and machiro ni mavana I'm still going to wash mlo the cover, so shindo bolo ni sumbedza results ngoro no usiku no madoko ana sabona. So kids results mavana. Okay, you know clear. shumisa zwithu zwiraru ndi dishwasher na cooking oil. Cooking oil ndiyo final touch.